training that we're particularly doing today is covering a new product that's new to the service here in Aruba. It's training on the ultra high pressure system that's been introduced and be able to be mounted on the new fire equipment that you just received back in December. The reason and the purpose of this equipment is to be able to utilize less water and still be effective to be able to fight the fire. So in this case, where a normal truck and discharge would be flowing 100 to 200 gallons per minute, we're using a lot less water, anywhere from 10 gallons per minute to 20 gallons per minute. So we're using less water, which we can be more effective and staying longer on the fire scene. We also offer, you'll notice that we have what they call the penetrating lance. So we have the capability to be able to go through different barriers, whether it be a wall, a concrete wall, go through a steel structure, whether it could be going into an aircraft to be able to attack a fire that's located in a cargo container, whether it be in a shipping container, whether it be a car fire. We can have access where we've got to get on the other side of the barrier to be able to attack the fire and to be able to cool it. A little bit of history on this product. It was actually developed by the Europeans over in Sweden, a lot of testing and performance. One of the advantages of here in Aruba, a lot of times you have remote areas that you don't have fire hydrants to hook up to, or you depend on a tanker truck that has a lot more water capabilities. With this, you can use a lot less water to be able to fight the fire. No, I thank Aruba and the department here and the fire department, Brand Weir, for accepting this new piece of equipment. It's a tool in their toolbox that helps them be more effective and to be able to help save lives and save homes and material as well and protect the community.